Step 1 is to pick the travel agent you have been working with, either Amanda Storm or Jessica Peterson. Next, please select how you heard about us, whether that be through a friend, an internet search, or simply word of mouth. Then, select how many guests are going on your vacation. The maximum number of slots to fill out is 10 guests. If you have more than 10 guests, you will put the remaining amount of people's names and date of births in the comments section under where it says Step 5 Additional Information. We will make sure to add them to the trip through the software. Some disclaimers before we get started with guest information. If we are making an air reservation, guest's name must match their passport exactly in order to board the airplane. That includes middle names and suffixes. The little red asterisk/star next to some of the boxes means that the box is required for every guest. First, enter the full name of guest 1 in the appropriate boxes. Enter the suffix of the guest if applicable. Next, add the guest's date of birth by either typing in the date using the 2-digit month, / 2-digit day, / 4-digit year, or use the calendar provided. Then select the guest's gender as it appears on their passport. Next, type in the guest's passport number and passport issuing country, then enter their passport's expiration date using the same format as the date of birth. In the last box, please type out the guest's emergency contact and emergency contact's phone number. Repeat each step for each of the remaining guests. Next is step 2, the contact information. Please enter your country, street address, city, state or province, and zip/postal code under the corresponding boxes. Then, refer back to which guest the contact information pertains to fill out the "Whose address is this?" box. After that, enter in the email address you check most, or whichever email address you use to contact us with. Enter a secondary email if you choose to. Then, enter your primary phone number in the phone number box. You must use the telephone extension and do not include any dashes or parentheses. The telephone extension is a plus, and then your corresponding country's telephone extension. A +1 is the United States. Some disclaimers before we get into trip information. If you do not know exactly what days you will be departing and returning, use your best judgment. Dates do not need to be exact at this stage in the process. What is travel protection? Travel protection is a type of insurance. While we do our best to make sure things go smoothly, sometimes things don't go as planned. This could be a delayed flight, a storm, winter or summer, an illness, etc. Most vacations have strict cancellation penalties. As a result, it is important to think about travel protection. Firstly, enter the name of the resort or cruise you'll be traveling on. If you do not know this information yet, you can just put the location of where you are going, such as Hawaii or Europe. As mentioned earlier, your travel departure and return dates do not need to be perfect or exact, but a rough estimate is needed, so use your best judgment. The bedding type helps us know if you'll be wanting 1 or 2 beds per room. If you do not know, it is not required, so do not stress if you don't have this information. Skip it for this form. For the vacation type, please select why you're going on a trip in the first place. Is it a honeymoon, a corporate getaway, or a family vacation? We would like to know. If you are in active military or have veteran status, please click yes or no. If someone who is active in the military or has veteran status is going on this trip with you, click yes and type in the comment section who that person is. Then select if you would like travel protection on your trip or not. A disclaimer before we get started. We do not charge you at this stage in the process. You will only be charged for our planning fee, if applicable, or once you have signed the formal approval for deposit. For this demonstration, we will be using the Visa option under Payment Type. Please fill out all the appropriate card information. The second to last box should say Pay in Full or Deposit. If you do not know if you are paying in full or deposits, as discussed to you by us, please select the Other option. A new box should appear labeled Amount. Please enter $1 into the box. If you would like to submit an additional payment method, please select Yes and repeat the same steps. If not, select No. If you have any special requests, please type them in the first box. As mentioned earlier, if you have more than 10 guests in your group, please enter the remaining guests' full name and date of births under the Other Questions/Comments box. Then, click the I agree box, type out the current date, 2-digit month/2-digit day/4-digit year, and type out your name for an e-signature. Congratulations! You have completed the registration form. Thank you.